Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video, and I'm just doing this video like this, starting out with the bare face, because I just want to show you guys the things that I use to prep my skin before I apply my foundation. Now it is, we're heading into the colder months, so I feel like you have to be super careful about applying makeup onto dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, you still want to apply some type of moisturizer to your skin, because otherwise, it'll just make your makeup look so dry and cakey. Especially, I know for me, with oily skin, with dry skin, I have super dry skin, not combination. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the things that I use on my face. So at least once a week, I've been using an exfoliator on my face. I always use an exfoliator. And what an exfoliator does is just, it's a scrub, and it just gets rid of all the dead skin, and it makes your skin nice and soft. And I love the Fresh Sugar strawberry exfoliator. I've been using this exfoliator for a minute, and I absolutely love like the tingly feeling that it gives my skin, and it makes it feel so nice and smooth. Now, I did not exfoliate my face this week because as you see, I'm wearing my natural hair, and I was using a wand curl to curl my hair, and I kind of burned right here underneath my eye, so I couldn't use it. So it's just getting to the point where it's healing up now, so I'm able to put makeup on top of it. So yeah, that's the story with that. So after I do my exfoliator, well, on a daily, after I take my makeup off, I cleanse my face every day. So I've been using the Caudalie Vinopure line lately. Well, I use two products from the line. I use their cleanser and their serum. And Caudalie was so nice enough to send me these products like a month ago. So I've been using these products for like a month. And when I take my shower, I always cleanse my skin. And I've been using lately the Purifying cleansing gel from Caudalie. And this is just how it looks. And I really love the tingling feeling, and it tightens my pores, and it makes my skin feel so nice and soft, and it does a really nice job of removing all of your makeup. So every time I cleanse my skin, no matter what cleanser I use, I always use a serum. So after that, I apply the Caudalie Skin Perfecting Serum, and this serum is amazing. It helps, you can feel it when you apply it to your skin and you leave it on for just a second. You can feel it tightening your skin. It helps reduces your pores. It helps with breakouts. This serum is absolutely amazing. So I absolutely love this. I know that this will be a repurchase for me. So I have everything listed in the description box down below about these products and where they can be purchased. So thank you so much to Caudalie for sending me these products. So after I'm done cleansing my skin and I apply my serums, I always apply moisturizer. So today I use my Clarins Hydrating Moisturizer. This is what I've been using lately. A great one from the drugstore is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. But like I said, even if you have oily skin, I always recommend using a moisturizer under your skin, because it'll make your makeup sit on top of your it'll make your makeup sit on your skin so much nice and smoother, and you can definitely tell the difference. So after I'm done with my moisturizer, I always apply a lip scrub in the wintertime, because you don't want to put liquid lipsticks or anything like that on top of crusty lips, because it just won't look right. It's going to look cracky. Even if you put gloss on, you're going to be able to tell. So my favorite lip scrubs are from Milani, and it is the Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Scrub. It's just like that. And after I wipe my sugar scrub off, I just I just put on like a dab of the Keep It Smooth, the lip treatment. So this is what I use. So this is currently where I am in my makeup routine. So now I'm just going to take my pinky and rub it in there and just put some on my lips. And I just massage that on my lips, and I leave it on my lips until I'm done doing my makeup, and that's when I wash it off. When I wipe it off. Alright guys, so I'm starting by priming my face with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. I always prime my face with a primer oil in the wintertime. I even put a primer oil on when I go out, even if I'm not wearing makeup, because I do have extremely dry skin. So yeah, I'm just priming with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. Alright, next up for foundation, I'm going to be using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And I think I'm in the shade 10. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. And I am going to blend it in with a Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Alright, next up, I don't think you really see the concealer that I'm using, but I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. And I love the Tarte Shape Tape, but I really love the Too Faced concealer because it has the same coverage as the Shape Tape, but it's a lot more moisturizing. Like, it's not as drying as the Shape Tape. So this is excellent substitute for the Shape Tape if you have super dry skin. And, you don't want to use that in the winter time because it's kind of cracky underneath your eyes, or at least mine. So I love using the Born This Way concealer. It's super full coverage. Alright, next I'm going to be using my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Medium. And I'm going to use it directly underneath my eyes for now, just to set that, because I am going to cream contour. Alright, next up I'm using my Pure Cosmetics Cameo Contour Stick. And I think this is in the shade Dark, and I'll be using this to contour my face today. Well, cream contour. And then I'm just taking an e.l.f. brush and I'm going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to blend that out. Alright, next up we're using that same Maybelline powder, and we're going to place this everywhere that I highlighted, as well as on my smile lines. Alright, next up to set my contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty. And I'm going to use this just to set that cream contour as well as contour my nose. Alright, next I'm going to be using my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Deep. And I just love how this brings all of my makeup together. It just meshes everything in so well. And I'm going to use this to set my entire face. Alright, next I'm going to be using that same concealer, which is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. to prime my eyelids. Then I'm going to set that with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. Alright, next I'm going to be using the Lancôme 12 Shades of Love palette. And as you can see, the palette is divided into 3 sections, which is Big Crush, Big Date, and Big Night. I'm going to be using the section Big Night. I'm only going to be using 2 colors. So I'm going to take that shade Base, and it's just a really pretty deep mauve shade. I'm going to place this all over the lid. I was super shocked at how pigmented these shades are. And there is a little bit of fallout. Well, I didn't have almost any fallout on my face, but there's a lot of kick up in the palette. And next I'm going to be taking the shade Liner. I'm just going to use this to blend out the edges of the shade Base, which is the shade that I placed all over my lid. Alright, next I'm going to be using the Inglot Gel Liner in 77, and I'm going to use this to line my lash line. I'm not going to wing it out today. Then I'm just going to apply some lash, and I think the lashes that I used are the Kiss lashes in the Style Ritzy. Alright, here I'm just using my Rimmel London Scandalized Eye Kohl pencil in the shade Black, and then I'm just going to go back into that palette and use the same 2 shades to smoke out the bottom lash line. Alright, next up I'm going to go into Big Crush, and I'm going to that really pretty pink shade called Highlighter. Can't really tell because of my lighting, but it's a really pretty shade. I'm going to use this in my inner corner, and I'm going to use it on my brow bone as well. Next up, on to blush. I'm going to be using the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Blush in the shade Grapevine, and it is just a rosy plum. And Kevyn Aucoin was nice enough to send me this blush, and it's nice and pigmented. It even has like a lighter end on the end, so it's kind of like a highlighter. You can use this as a highlighter. I just sweep my brush all the way across. Next, I'm just spraying my face with Fix Plus just to get the powder off. And for my highlighter, I'm using my highlighter and I just mix both of those shades. I'm just going to place that all over my lips, and then I'm going to place my Fenty Beauty lip balm on the top of that. And I can't remember what the name of it is, but this is the very first one. And now I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray to set my entire face. And that includes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. Until the next video.